Before you toss out those used coffee grounds, stop. What if I told you that little pile of brown grit in your filter could save you money, replace store-bought products, and even fix problems around your home? In fact, after today, you will never look at ground coffee the same way again. Number 1. Natural deodorizer. Place coffee grounds in a small bowl or sachet, stronger than baking soda for certain smells. Number 2. Garden fertilizer. Rich in nitrogen. Sprinkle into soil to nourish plants or add to compost, especially loved by roses, tomatoes, and hydrangeas. Number 3. Pest repellent. Ants, mosquitoes, and even snails hate the smell. Mix with water and spray around plants or sprinkle near doorways. Number 4. Flea treatment for pets. Rub damp coffee grounds through your dog's fur after shampooing. It helps repel fleas naturally. And here is a bonus for you. Leaves coat shiny and deodorize. Number 5. Skin exfoliator. Mix ground coffee with coconut oil. It works as a DIY body scrub that rivals expensive spa products. It helps with circulation and smooth skin. Number 6. Scrub for pots and pans. Abrasive texture makes it perfect for stuck-on grease, safe for cast iron and stainless steel. Number 7. DIY candle or air freshener. Mix coffee ground into melted wax or put it in a mesh pouch. It creates a cozy cafe-like aroma at home. Number 8. Hair treatment. Massage into scalp to remove product buildup. It promotes shine and stimulates hair growth. Number 9. Car air freshener. Place dried coffee grounds in a breathable bag tossed under your car seat. Eliminates odors instantly. Number 10. Fridge and freezer cleaner. A paste of coffee ground mixed with water absorb lingering fish or onion smells when scrubbing surfaces. Number 11. Fireplace cleaner. Coffee grounds sprinkled on ashes before sweeping help keeps dust from flying everywhere, and it will save you some headache too. Number 12. Meat tenderizer. The natural enzymes and acids in coffee grounds can tenderize tough cuts of meat. Simply mix coffee grounds into a marinade. Add depth and smokiness to the meat. I tried this on a cheap steak and it tastes like something from a restaurant. Number 13. Cellulite scrub. Many spa scrubs contain caffeine because it can tighten skin temporarily. Here is what you need to do. Mix coffee grounds with olive oil and massage into thighs or arms. It's a great beauty hack for people who want to save money. Number 14. Drain cleaner and deodorizer. A small amount of coffee grounds with hot water helps clear grease and freshen drains. But here is a warning. Don't dump a large amount in the drain as it could clog it. A spoonful now and then will keep your sink from smelling like last night's dinner. Number 15. Anti-scratch and odor fix for hands. Rub coffee grounds on your hands after chopping onions or garlic. It neutralizes the odor. Gentle abrasion also removes dirt after gardening. No more garlic smelling hands during date night. Number 16. Fridge moisture absorber. Coffee grounds absorb both smell and moisture. Place a small amount in a jar without a lid in the fridge or freezer. It helps keep things fresher. See what I mean? Coffee grounds aren't just trash, they are practically a free toolbox in your kitchen. From scrubbing pans, even freshening up your car, there is no reason to throw them away anymore. So tell me in the comments, which one of these hacks are you trying first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your coffee-loving friends. Trust me, after watching this, none of us will ever waste coffee grounds again. I am Lifestyle Country Mom, checking out on this one. See you next time. Ta-ta.